Hello you guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're working on a 2017 Velar Range Rover, and it's a KVM job. So I just wanted to show you guys the location of the KVM. So I'm going to be showing you from inside, but if you have access to go from the trunk, it will be better. So basically we already took it off. But if you're gonna open here, you're gonna have a cover. If you take this cover out and you dig your hand down, it's gonna be located right there. So we're gonna just put it there with the cables facing down, and there is 2 screws on 2 sides. So you're just gonna need to unscrew them. But if you pull this a little bit, you're gonna be able to fish it just there. So this is gonna be the location for the Velar going up to 2020. This is how you're gonna do it, and of course we did it with a mini ACDP, so we're gonna have a regular key. So that will be the view with the KVM inside. So it's basically right there. So again, fuse box under, it's right there. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.